In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add drop shadow in the Filmora app. If you don't know how to add the drop shadow effects on your videos, on the text of the videos, then this tutorial is for you. So let's get started. First of all, open the Filmora app just like this. After opening the app, make sure you have added the photo or video that you want to edit. Now, to add the drop shadow effect, first you need to add the text. Now tap onto text just right here, then tap onto add. Now add a text that you want to add just like this. After adding that, tap onto the check mark right here. Now to add the drop shadow effect, tap onto edit right here. Then here you can find the art text option. Now tap on it. Now choose the art text that you want to add just like this. And after that, tap on to the style option right here. Then here you can find the shadow option. Now tap on it. Now you can simply add the shadow just right here. Now tap on to the distance and adjust it. Tap on to the blur and adjust it. And now you can see the drop shadow effect has been added. And that's it. This is how you can add the drop shadow in the Filmora app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.